August 31st, last day for August. So, first trade for today. This is also the first day I'm trading on my PE account on Bullnox. So let's dive in the first trade. As you can see, my title is like first day PA almost blow up trading chop. But fortunate enough, thank God that made it back and you know got back the money I lost. So though, wanna fucking thank God for that. But the first trade is watching the previous day high. So far, seeing some possible overnight high fail, and was watching these levels. Saw a couple of like sellers here and fail. Okay, so watch it right now. 21, 22 ish. See what happened here. Big sell instantly pushed up. Another sell right there. Fail. I don't know why long is so slow. I took way too long to long it. Long should be around like 20, in my opinion. Saw that push down, push up, and then another push down around the 17, and then saw that selling. Tried again. That was the long. I chased the long. Stupid. Didn't follow my entry criteria. Right. Right. That could have been a long. Nah, I wouldn't long yet. Bids are still not holding. Want to see rebid. Uh, Pushing back down again. 42 buy. Could have longer right there. 1920. Then, but already chased along. Poor entry. Bids are pulling. 50 to sell. Stop me out. Instantly push back up. I longed out again. That was the long. That 50 to sell break. 50 like someone selling 50 lock to break 50 lock to break that and instantly bid back up. That was the fucking long, in my opinion. That was the long right there. That was literally my entry criteria, right? I'm following my entry criteria and rules, which is see something strong. It's really long that consolidation. Or you don't, or you wait. So we did it on the consolidation. I chased it up here. That stuff, that shit came back down here. Rebid it a little bit, but bids weren't fully holding, and that thing just instantly dropped. Oh, this is another account I long on. Don't know why the copy trader wasn't working, but it's fine. But yeah, back to it was like rebid it a little bit, but bids weren't holding, and then that 50 to sell, instantly push up. That was a long, trapping more sellers. That was an instant long, and then just basically let this trade work out. I let this trade 40 point. Yep. This thing this thing pushed all the way up here. I didn't scale plus 30. It was me being a little bit too greedy in my opinion. Yeah, I was being way too greedy with this for no reason. First scale should be 30, but didn't get it. Let me fast tell. Seller selling it, 21 to sell, instantly bounce. 20, another sell. It was so, how do I say it? It was so jumpy on the tape for no reason. Then we have news at 5. Still consolidating, wasn't worried. Got my first scale 62, and then this thing just dropped back down. I got out. That was the first two trade. First trade didn't follow my entry criteria rules. according to my stats, usually the play, like the setup, the trade, you most likely not gonna work out, or just gonna stop me out and then rip. Like I'll get bottom tick. Like this one got bottom tick, rip back up. But good job on entering again though. Third setup for the day. I mean, third trade for the day I took was seeing these high, push down, high, fail. I was anticipating for another high and fail, like probably like another higher low for scalp. This is clearly scalp, and let's watch it. 62.75. That's a new high. Let's see what happened here. Nice impulse high. See seller test it. Come on, come back and test that level. Another impulse high. Should be taking around 60 something. Being a little too late. Could have been entering like around 62. Put my stop. This trade work out like just a little bit for me. Yeah, this thing dropped all the way here. That was a scalp. I was thinking 5, so that's like 120 bucks scalp. Could have been, but nope. Didn't want to take it. And yeah, this thing come stop me out. But yeah, let me just rewind a little bit right here for better understanding. It's a poor trade decision in my opinion. Okay, despite that, I did see the setup, but look at the context for today, though. The past 2, 3 days, we've been so bullish. Like, we've been making higher high, higher low, been breaking out type shit, you know? And then the context for today is open drive. We never even tested the opening range low. We never even tested the opening range high here. And then here, buyers, 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 right? We never even tested any of those. So buyer was still there at the low, and then we're just pushing higher. Seller's not even present. Context is just buyers only, to be honest. It's just play the like buy side. But yeah, it's either like a 10-point scalp or like something, and then take it off, stop me out. The fourth trade for today was just watching these 68, possibly a retest for more higher to test these 10. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, strong sell right there. Sellers are actually trying here. Bunch of sellers trying 65, 64, 100 to sell right there, 31 to sell. A little bit more down. I didn't want to long in, so like a little bit more down, trap these people. Another 52 to sell, instantly bounced up. 60. Sellers still trying and fail. I was like, okay, I'll long this. Right at my level of interest, which is like one of the weekly VPOC. And yeah, saw the 100 something to sell, 100 something to sell right here at the 74. Build above 75. Should see more highs. Yep, we even come back down. So I was trying there again, 70. 70 still rebidding. Instantly bid back up. Not worried. I was only risking like 9 point for this trade. Buyers, sellers right there, still rebidding, and this thing just spike. Wasn't worried. Pretty sure, yep. Still going high. Scale 2 per like 20 point. Is it 20 though? scale 2 for 20 point almost. Didn't even get the 20, but it was 1 to 3. My risk to reward. More buying, and then eventually we just fail, and then we just chop here, right? But yeah, pretty sure this is in the trade for a long ass time. But yeah, those were the trade I took.